So 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Then 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4 again. Now minus 4 multiply minus 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this problem we have one parenthesis and one subtraction, right? And here we have one multiplication with parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So is equal to 1 minus 5. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So multiply minus 4. Now here we have one subtraction and here we have one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction, right? So minus 5 multiply minus 4 is equal to plus 20. So 1 plus 20. Now 1 plus 20 is equal to 21. So the correct answer is 21, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer.